Hello class, good morning. So class, yesterday we have learned how to write letter F. And before that we have learned letter C, D and E. Okay, we are practicing the cursive letters of English. Okay, now see here, today we are going to learn letter G, and as the point says, it starts with second line. And as you have given the stroke in capital cursive E, it goes as same. Okay, or you can see जैसे आपने C में शुरू किया था, it is starting just like that. See here, from the second line you have to go up. Reaching here, you have to take a left curve like C, isn't it? From here you have to drag your pencil a little up, and as you write letter Y, letter J in small, just like you have to go. And reaching here you have to go little up, and here capital G is done. Now let us trace and write. You have to start as you start for letter E. From here you have to go up to the second line, then come down to the fourth line, you have to trace the letters slowly. See here, lift it up from the second line, go up to the first line, a big left curve, go up, come down to the fourth line and trace it as it goes smoothly. Start it as capital letter E, not capital letter E, or you can say C. Trace it as slowly as you can. Then only you will be able to remind all the strokes of each and every letter. Trace it as beautifully, as smoothly as you can. Go up to the first line, take a big left curve. Touching the fourth line, you have to go up to the second line. From here, come to the fourth line, bend and cross it, lift it little up. Here G is completed. After you complete the tracing, let us practice here in the free space. From here, what you have to do, you have to go up like this. After that, as C, you have to come down. From here, you have to go up to the second line, and from here, you have to come to the fourth line and make a loop. Go little up. This is G. Again. Come to the first line, left curve, third line, second line, now fourth line, loop. This is cursive letter G. Again, first line, make C, third line, go to the second line, come to the fourth line, make a loop, lift little up. This is capital letter G. Go to the first line, left curve, third line, second line, fourth line, bend it, cross it, lift little up, cursive letter G. Then again, go to the first line, left curve, third line, second line, fourth line, curve, loop and lift little up. So we have practiced letter G. Now we will be practicing letter H. So students, take out page number 26 and see here, this is the starting point. That means it starts with between first line and the second line. First line or second line के बीच में शुरू होगा. It will go slanting up to the first line, then it will come down to the third line and it will bend like J. It will be a deep curve. After this, you have to come here. You have to come straight down, and from here you have to make a loop as you were drawing for A. Just like that you have to complete it. So let us start tracing. From here you have to start, go slanting up, come straight down with a curve. It will be a deep curve that goes up to line number 2. From here you have to come straight down, and from here you have to go for a loop that crosses here. This is cursive letter H. Now see it again. Slanting line up, come straight down, a curve, come straight down again, and from here you have to make a loop, H. Trace as slowly as you can. Yes, trace as slowly as you can. Now after completing the tracing part, we will be writing. So we have to start in between first line and the second line, go slanting up, come with a slanting line straight down. From here a left curve will be there, and from here you have to come a slanting down, little slanting down, and from here you have to go for a loop. See, this is a very simple letter, but it takes a little time. So you have to keep it in mind that I have to write good, I have to write beautiful, I have to write slow. Okay, from here you have to start, reach up to here, then a little slanting will be there. Touching the third line, you have to go up to the second line like this. After that, a slanting line again, and from here you have to go little up, and from here form a loop and lift it up. So likewise, as we have learned today, we have learned letter G and letter H. And remember students, try to write the slant letters in cursive. कर्सिव के जो लेटर्स होते हैं वो स्लैंट होने से अच्छे लगते हैं. This is capital letter H in cursive. And previously, what have we learned today? We have learned how to write letter G. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.